Hi guys, Ali here, welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have two boxes, one from Speedgen and another one from Super Shields. So this is a screen protector for a Motorola G Stylus 2020, that's a long name, okay? So we did an unboxing on that phone a while back, so since then it's been through some stuff. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, and it also has developed a small super light crack around its camera. After that, we also ordered a case which didn't work, so in result it came a small crack. So to protect that from happening, we got these two products. So let's see the review. So this is a Speedgen case. It's a fully black case, and it's slim and it's also rugged. That's one reason we got this specific case, because it's a smaller and slimmer case compared to the other bulkier ones, and this is already a big phone for myself, so that's one reason. And also it has all the holes and buttons are easy to press from the reviews that we saw. That's one reason we got this. So if we attach it to the phone, and there, see, it's like super slim and it's not even that bulky. Also has a lip so the front can't hit and crack. And we have this, the Super Shields case. Okay, so over here we have the Super Shield. So it says to open. So this is how it comes out. This is what's the first thing you see. On the back of this paper is the installation guide, right here. So there's no installation screen where you put in and you peel it, nothing of that. It's all just super simple. One reason we got this is because it was cheap, so the reason that we got it. This is a warranty, lifetime warranty over here in this. So it comes with 3 screen protectors, so 1, 2, and 3. You guys can see, you gotta be super careful with these right now. Also comes with 3 materials. It comes with a microfiber cloth, alcohol cleaning wipe, dust removers, and yeah, that's what it comes with. So let's install it. Over here is an installation kit. Let's open this up. So let's take, should we take is that everything? Okay, so I want to turn this to myself. Let's put this on the side. So we have the 3 alcohol prep pads. We're only gonna need 1. And this is this, right here. Here are, there's 3 microfiber cloths. That's really nice. We'll put this on the side as well. Also comes with 3 guide stickers and everything. We'll put this on the east side as well. So this is all that we need for now. So let's first dry, clean it. Okay, this has some scratches. And has it developed another crack on the bottom? No, those are just some scratches. There you go. Anything. Like this. Make sure it's 100% dust free. Okay, now we're gonna get the big dust absorber. Like this. Every corner, even if you can't see it, because there will be something. No. Take out this. Okay, now let's do it. First time ever doing it myself. There you go. Now I'm just gonna pressure from the middle. Yes, just like that. Now I'm gonna get the cleaning cloth and push all the bubbles out. We got it, yes. So the screen protector, I applied it very wrong. The screen protector is really good and feels strong and stuff. We put it with the case. It's a perfect size and thing for the case. It leaves enough room from the sides, if you can see. It's applied good, not this part. It's right aligned with the case. If there is a lip, it won't annoy it or anything, so that's a really good touch. So this is a really nice combo, screen protector and everything. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon. Bye!